Okay, so this is how you can press buttons that would be impossible to press on your current computer. Okay, so my laptop does not have a middle click button, but with help from Joy2Key, I can use it with a USB controller. Now normally you can't do this on a laptop without a mouse connected to it. And you would be going like this and panning like half or a quarter of a cell on the Elder Scrolls construction set for Morrowind, which is ridiculous. But it's it's just pretty awesome.